warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Okay guys, I would like to invite to all of you to come to the country that I would like to talk to. Is China. Why is China? Because I have relative in there. It's my cousin in there. Which is Jack Ma. Do you know Jack Ma? Jack Ma is the founder of Alibaba.com, which is have value in his company $29 billion. And then this value that most people doesn't have, that Jack Ma have, is agile. Because of why? First of all, definition of agile itself, which is have fast movement, which is have direct decision and fast in action. And then first of all, I would like to talk to you about Indonesia itself, which is Indonesia have fourth rank in the Asian Economic Community, which is we as the new generation of Indonesia must defend or increase the strength. We can see the status quo in this comic, which is we are going to try something called agile programming, but we must take action and no documentation and no planning this action. Okay, but we can see in the third picture, which is they do nothing, and this is unfortunately true in our country. And why I would like to prove that Jack Ma is agile itself, because first of all, he is English teacher and had no experience in computer or coding itself. So how Jack Ma can build this big company, e-commerce company, Alibaba.com? First of all, he knew about the internet in 1995, which is in US trip. He saw that the lack of website in China, which is a great opportunity business for him. And then he tried to introduce internet in China in 95, but he failed because he knew that the China is not ready yet to the internet. And he reinforced the concept again, and he success in 1999. Okay, the challenge that what Jack Ma faced, which is first of all about the SARS epidemic in China. One of his employee have sick because of SARS epidemic, and the office must be quarantined, and then he must to send all of his employee to the home. So what he gonna do? He's still working, which is they have the sound opportunity in the China, which is, as we know, that many people unwilling to go outside, which is they saw that opportunity, which is people in China began to online shopping. And then he, with the direction of all of his employee, just direction with phone to work his company. And the second level, he faced the big company eBay, which is in 2000 have a big share market in all over the world, and he want to take China too. And then what did Jack Ma do? Jack Ma use the opposite business model, which is, as we know that in eBay we must pay to have a store in there. And the Jack Ma use his secret weapon, which is he calls in with 3,000 of his employee to call a small business in China to post in their Alibaba.com and have a 3 years free trial. So the share market of a Chinese in Alibaba.com have a big. So what the Alibaba say to us, which is if eBay goes right there and Alibaba goes right there, if eBay goes down, Alibaba goes up. And the ending, which is I would like to talk to you about, which is these Chinese people want to protect their share market in the business in the China. We are Indonesian people. What we gonna do? Defense or we gonna attack other country like Alibaba? Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bisa diulang tadi kan?
Thank you because